Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this has been requested, highly requested since I started my YouTube channel, and I figured I'd do it today. I just woke up not too long ago. I did my hair. It's not morning, but I just woke up. I forced his hair into a little bun, as y'all can see. I thought I wouldn't be able to do a bun in my hair because it's so short. But yeah, I just be having to force it. So anyways, I'm gonna show y'all my skincare routine because so many people ask me about this. And it's like, I don't know if I would consider this a routine because sometimes I just wash my face and go, and sometimes I do this. So let's get started. So normally I wish I had it with me, but if I can find a picture, I'll put it on the screen somewhere right here or right here. But I just came from out of town and I've been using this week, and I don't really think my skin likes this. Yeah, it just makes it feel dry. Or when I'm at home, I use my sister's Cetaphil, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my face with this. But while I'm washing my face, I'm gonna mix the Cetaphil with this scrub. And if you don't have a scrub at home, just go get some sugar and mix it with. You can just mix the sugar with your face wash, or if you want to do your scrub separately, if you want to exfoliate separately, just mix sugar, oil, any oil of your choice, and you can add lemon. But you don't have to. I usually just use sugar and oil, olive oil, almond oil, or coconut oil. But I'm gonna mix these two and wash my face. I'm gonna add more sugar. Exfoliate in my eyebrows because I get bumps there. Now, if this feels too rough on your skin, don't go as hard as me, but I don't know, my skin is pretty tough. I don't have sensitive skin. And they say you should exfoliate about 2 or 3 times a week. So at one point, like my sophomore year, I used to exfoliate my face every day, but I had the best freaking skin. Like, if your skin can withstand that, then go ahead and do it. Alright, now I do these 2 steps interchangeably. So sometimes I tone before I do a mask or a mask. Then I tone. Today I think I'm gonna tone my face first. So with this, you can just use cotton pads. I'm gonna do 3 just to make sure I get a deep clean. And this is from Biore Switch Hazel. You'll be surprised at how much dirt is still on your face after you wash it. So toning is like a really important step. I should have focused more on my top lip when I was washing, when I was exfoliating, because I have a lot of blackheads. Let me show y'all this. I don't know if it's picking up. might just wash my face again after I tone it, because yeah. So that's one. I also used to use, well, I still do use them. It's just I haven't bought them recently. I use Oxy pads. Yeah. And they're pretty strong, so if you have sensitive skin, definitely don't use that. Those things can burn, but skin be clear. I figure I would vlog all the way up until Christmas, because I haven't vlogged in a long time. Also, I didn't want to make this video short, or should I post new videos every day? I might, because this might just go up today. It's December 20th. If it uploads, then it might go up today. I was just gonna make it one long vlog until Christmas. We'll see. And this is my last one. I actually am gonna wash my face again. This time I'm not adding no sugar. Last but not least, my favorite part. This mask is also, I'm spitting out water. Excuse me. I'm only taking this much. And y'all, this stuff smells so good. It's blue agave and baking soda. And it's not one of those hardening masks. It's a whip mask, so it's like, it's really soft. It's not gonna dry hard or anything. I'm gonna use some more of this, actually, just to be extra. I'm gonna let this chill on my face for, it says 5 minutes. I usually do 10, but I don't think it's gonna do anything extra if I leave it on that long. I probably should be doing 10 because I forget to take it off. But we'll wait. I'm so sorry this took so long. So many people have been asking me to do this. And I've just been lazy. I don't know what's been up with me like these past few months. No rap cap. The trap pusher. I've been thinking about letting this girl, this YouTuber, make the intro for me. But I don't know what song to use. I don't know if like it's even my style, you know. But I'm sure she can like make it to where it'll fit my channel. But yeah, I just want to be more consistent with too, because no one ever got anywhere by being inconsistent. And yeah, I like to grow on here more. Like I've been at over 3,800 subscribers for the longest, and I could have been here 4,000, 5,000 really, if I had been consistent. And yeah, I don't know, I'm still bothering this, let me stop. But yeah, I just want to be more consistent. I feel like I can do it, and I really want to have, I think I can have 10,000 subscribers by February if I post videos like I should. I might get you set up by your sister. And yes, I have on a shirt. I just been, the reason I want to do YouTube, I want to be consistent, is because I'm about to graduate in May. I'm about to graduate college. Finally, after 5 long years, I'm about to graduate college, and if y'all don't know, I'm a fashion merchandising student. And it's not that I don't know, like if I had to choose a career from that field, it would be a visual merchandiser, which is like doing window displays for stores, like organizing the store's floor in flow, whatever. Y'all get what I'm saying? Doing that, or being a buyer, which is on the back side, the back end side, I would say. You know, knowing what's in trend and buying stuff for stores, you know, clothes and stuff. But I feel like that's cool and all, but I don't know if it's really for me. And yeah, I've just been having a hard time figuring out what I really want to do. And I feel like I could learn more about myself through making more YouTube videos, if that makes sense. Like just exploring more of my creative side. Because I know I'm good with, visual merchandising. I know I would be good with that. Being a buyer is more like a quantitative job. I don't know if that makes sense. A quantitative job. And I'd rather be on the creative side, which is visual merchandising. But yeah, I know I'm good with like creative direction and stuff, but I just don't know if that's for me for sure. So I'm just praying that God sends me a sign. And yeah, I figure out what I want to do with myself, because I don't want to be a college graduate with no job goals, like no end game. Like I don't want to be that person. I don't want to be living with my mom at 23. Even though it's not, I'm still young. I just don't want to be living with my mom. Yeah. It's just not where I see myself, and I just feel like I need to push myself to do more. I haven't been doing enough at all. I'm just really having a revelation over here. But yeah, as y'all can see, this is dry. It's not hard, but it's dry. I'm gonna rinse this off. All right, finally done with this whole process, but I'm just gonna let my face air dry. After I wash my face, I know a lot of people like to take a towel and wipe their face off, and I just don't like that. I know that you use clean towels, but I just think about all the lint that's on there, or germs that didn't really get washed away. I don't know. That's just my thought process, but I'm gonna just let it air dry. Well, you know you make me blow. lastly, I'm gonna take this Pond's Crema 24-hour moisturizer. I love their moisturizers. I think I mentioned that in one of my other videos. They're lightweight but still very moisturizing. And they smell good as hell. Let me get closer so I can see all my imperfections. I've been breaking out a lot over here, right here, on my chin. All right there. This lighting is terrible, but y'all get the picture. I've been breaking out a lot. Yeah, I just need to do this 3 times a week. And also remember to wash your face day and night, because I know this is bad, but I don't be washing my face at night sometimes. If I remember, then yeah. Just being truthful, transparent here. Ain't nobody perfect, so keep y'all little comments to yourself. Two positions. Now stroke it, babe. Stroke it for me. Stroke it for me. Stroke it for me. Ooh, baby, I love your stroke. Cause you give me where I'm going. Alright, I done started doing my edges. And this is not a part of the video. But that's all for today, folks. TTYL. Thanks for watching. Peace out, Girl Scouts.